Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab with Courtney KH. This will be my first time collabing with Courtney, but I've been following her for quite a while. And I can't remember whether she asked me or I asked her. It sort of came about kind of organically that we suddenly decided we wanted to collab together, I think. And we decided on doing a collab where we both picked a palette in our collection that we'd had for some time but had never used before, and to give reasons on, you know, why did we buy it and why haven't we used it. Because if you're a makeup collector, I'm sure you have some palettes like that in your collection, and I just thought it'd be interesting to do it that way, and then we didn't have to worry about trying to coordinate palettes that were the same together, because sometimes that's tricky because I have a lot of palettes that other people on that side of the world don't have. So I chose my Australis Neutralize palette, which is a very neutral palette, and it looks like it's been used because I just keep swatching it, but I've never actually stuck it on my eyes. And mostly I've swatched the shimmers. There's only a few of the mattes that I've swatched. So why did I buy this palette? There were a couple of reasons. One is I've never tried Australis eyeshadow and I wanted to try it out. And I also, this was before I started buying anything online, and so trying to find some interesting new eyeshadow to try out was pretty hard because we hardly ever get anything new and interesting. And these were fairly new in store and I wanted to try it. And the reason why I brought it, I did think about it carefully because I knew it was a pretty neutral looking palette. It's got a few pinks in there and things, but it is pretty neutral. But the reason why I wanted to buy it is I kept swatching it in store, and every time I went in there I swatched it because these shimmers are just amazing. The shimmers just look incredible, and I just couldn't resist. They're just so pretty. So I ended up buying it, and then I kept getting distracted by colour and I haven't actually used it yet, so I'm going to use it today. So today I have actually already done all my face because I was doing a neutral look, so I thought, well, I'm hoping there's not so much fallout because I've done my face already. So I'm going to start off with I'll start off with this one here. Okay, they have got names. What's this one? Peanut Brittle. The names are on the back. So it's just a matte. It's got plenty of pigmentation, that's for sure. Is that the colour of Peanut Brittle? I don't know. And then I think I'm going to go in with Praling, which is this one here. Then I'm going to go in with Fudge. And then I think I'm going to go in with this one here, which is called Cherry Ripe, which is one of these beautiful shimmers. Let's see if it'll pick up on a brush. All right. Yep, it seems to be picking up on that brush okay. Ooh, that looks nice. That's just dry. It's living up to its swatches so far. And this is the whole reason I brought the palette, was for those shimmers. Specifically this one and the light pink one. So pretty. Now I am going to go in with that light pink one here, which is called Macadamia. Very pretty. And I think, I'm going to go in with this one, which is Salted Caramel. For in between the two. These are really nice. Why haven't I used this before? Got a little bit of fallout, but not too bad. I'll see. It's sweeping away, so that's good. That's so pretty. Go in with a bit of this white one, which is called White Chocolate. And just blend out the top there. I like to do a little bit of blending just in here, just to brighten up that bit. I'm going to go into this one here, which is called Toffee. And for the inner corner, I'm going to go into this one here, which is called Coconut. Bright coconuts. Can you see that? And I used all those dry. I haven't wet any of them. I really want to try this one here, so that one is called Mocha. Or Mocha, depending on how you pronounce things. Oh, that is so pretty. Hardly got any on, and I'm going, oh, it's so pretty. That is a really pretty colour. I want to put that all over my eyelid, but I've already got something else on my eyelid. So I'm going to put my eyeliner and my mascara on, and while I do that, I'm going to tell you a bit about Courtney. So Courtney is a small channel like me, and she does lots of subscription boxes, unboxings and things like that. But she also does really great reviews on different palettes and doing makeup looks. She has got these amazing blue eyes, and when she puts blue and green eyeshadow on, it's just like, wow. Your eyes are an amazing colour. I've never seen eyes quite that colour before. They're really dark, dark blue. And she does lots of tag videos, and she does quite a few collabs as well. And she does some great tutorials and lots of great everyday kind of looks with a bit of colour added in. So although she does like colour and she uses colour, she also does a lot of very practical everyday looks as well, which I think is always nice to see what you could wear if you're not into crazy colour like I am. And she's just really fun, and she's really supportive and very real to watch. So if you like watching really real people and people that you would be just friends with in everyday life, then Courtney would be one to go and watch. I really enjoy her channel, and I encourage you to look down in the description box and you can find Courtney's details in there, and so follow her as well. Go and check out her channel. And she's also very supportive. If you are a YouTuber and you're looking for people's content that you enjoy and you want to support each other, then she's very supportive too. So that's another reason to go and see her. So here is my final look using my Australis Neutralize palette for the very first time. What did I think of it? I actually think it's really beautiful. For a neutral palette, it's not as neutral as you would think because those shimmers are just amazing, and there's those pinks and sort of terracotta colours in there. And there's also this lovely gold, which I didn't use, but looks amazing. So I'm really happy with it, and I would definitely use it again. And the only excuse I have for not using it is because I kept getting distracted by blues and yellows and orange and green. That's the only reason why I didn't use it. And on my lips today I've got my Revlon, what is it called? It's called Influencer, this colour. My Revlon Colour Stay Ultra Suede on my lips today. So thank you, Courtney, for collabing with me today. I really enjoyed having a chance to play with a palette that I've been dying to get into, but just haven't got around to. And I'm really pleased that I did, because look at those shimmers, they're so beautiful. Got nothing to complain about there. So I would say Australis is a first impression for eyeshadow, makes good eyeshadow. So go and follow Courtney. I will leave her, is that it the right way? No, that way. I'll leave her in the cards up above if I can remember to do it, but she'll definitely be in the description box. And I can hear sanding going on now, so I'm going to sign off. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.